Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to create a new Gmail account. To do this, go to Google. Open it in incognito mode and type in Google here. Next, click the Sign In button here. Click Create Account and enter your name here. Last name, click Next and enter your date of birth here. Click Next and choose your email address here. By the way, you can create a custom one, not just use what they suggest. Click Next and enter your password here. Make up whatever you want. Click Next and scan this QR code on your phone. After confirming on your phone, enter a backup email address here, and that's it. You've created your account. That's all for today. This has been Channel Name. See you later, everyone.